Hi, I'm Karen, and tonight we're making bruschetta chicken. My chicken has been marinating for the last 30 minutes in the refrigerator, but I'm going to show you what's in the marinade really quickly. 4 cloves of garlic that I minced with my garlic press, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, some sea salt, black pepper. These are sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil, and I have some fresh basil that I grow in my kitchen. So we're going to take all of that and we are going to dump it all in the pot. Now I have 4.5 pounds of chicken in this bag. And when you get ready to set the time on your pot, you are not, let me throw that away really quickly. You are not going to set your time according to pounds. You're going to set your time according to how many ounces each one of your chicken breasts is approximately, since they're going to be slightly different sizes. So if you have 6-ounce chicken breasts, you're going to do 6 minutes on high pressure. If you have 8-ounce chicken breasts, it's going to be 7 minutes. If you have 10-ounce, it's going to be 8 minutes. You kind of get the pattern. Mine are about 12-ounce chicken breasts, so I am going to do 9 minutes. Manual high pressure, and this time we are not going to quick release. We are going to let it naturally release. That way the chicken can cook just a little bit longer and it won't be tough when it finishes. After about 10 minutes of manual release, if the pressure is not all the way out, we will quick release what's left. Make sure that you close your lid, close your vent, and if when you open up your pot your chicken is not all the way cooked, you can always close it back up and add a minute or 2 to finish, and then quick release the pressure. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to my channel.